Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your Garena password. So if you've been using a certain password for your Garena account but would like to now change it in something else because you feel like it's not strong enough, or maybe because you can't remember it, or for any other reasons, this is the video for you. Please stick with me till the very end of it. For this, first of all, go to your web browser and make sure that by going to garena.com, you've already been logged into your account. After you get logged into your account, you will land on an interface that looks somehow like this. Now, in order to change your password, you can see that on the top right corner, there's a profile icon. Tap on the profile icon. As soon as you tap on the profile icon, you can see an option that says Change Password. Simply tap on Change Password. After tapping on Change Password, it says here that you will get an OTP button below to get a verification code. So simply tap on Get OTP. This is done mainly because Garena has to confirm that it is you who's trying to change your password and not somebody else. So now after typing in the OTP, tap on Verify. And then now you can type in here your current password and now set up a new password. After doing this, confirm the new password by retyping it and then tap on Change. Here it says that your password has been successfully changed. You'll be directed back to home in a few seconds, and as you can see here, you've been directed back to home. So this is basically how you can change your password on your Garena. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you found this helpful, do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around next time.